Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about a minute. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I am looking to buy at 165. So I'm watching that number right there, and I want to see that drop down to 165 and then see this white line turn green. And if white turns green, that means I have been able to buy. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy. And I'm doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how this is all working, give you a good firm foundation to which you can build from. And don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people are intimidated by options and they can be made very intimidated, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So again, just comment down below option guide. All right, I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 150 here for a call. Well, it was close, but I'm going to change down to, oops, different strike price. A different what? Again, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that class. So there we go, 150. We'll see if it wants to come down a bit more. All right, I will pause. I'm at one. No, that's a forced trade. It's literally starting to break down right now. Sure, it could bounce from there, but could also, that was me getting antsy, so I'm glad I canceled that out. Even if it does bounce, that's not what I'm, yeah. And as it continues to come down, that was a very stupid move at first on my part, but to give myself some credit, I played it right by canceling that out. Let's try 160 now. Trying to time it up with that blue line, green line, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'll throw an order out for 160. We'll see if it can get down there or not. I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. But yeah, definitely dodged a bullet on that one because I was going to be looking to buy in the sense of I wanted to see the price go up. And yeah, as you're seeing, it's just continued to break down. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I had no. 155 looks more like the accurate area. No, I think 160. 160. I don't know if I'd have been filled. All right, let's see how this candle forms here. Oh, no, it's breaking right down through. Try 155 here. Wow, not filling me. That was wild. I'll go 145 here instead now. All right, I'll pause. Come at 160 here. Nope, not filling. I'll go down to 145 now. I like that area for the green line. That area for the green line there, 145. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a very close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 165 here. In there at 165. For a put. Trying to get out at 166 right now. And had to take 100, was going for 1,000, but had to go into loss control mode and just take the 100. So clearly they were loss control mode. Does not mean you're going to take a loss, but and I was on the edge. Now I could have easily gotten 500, but like I said, I really thought it'd want to come down more, and it did come down, but apparently not enough. So again, had to go into loss control mode on that one, but yeah, maybe it does ultimately come down enough, but I gave it plenty of time. And right now it feels too much like a 50-50. I could see it bouncing off that line, or I could see it coming down, but I don't want to take 50-50 trades. I need to have some sort of edge. So, all right, I will pause. But starting off with basically a failed trade, but yeah, see that right off that line right there. So really just question, do I try it again? Let me throw one out there at 160. No. A little too much strength now off that line. Yep, so played that one right as it once again bounced off that level. So, all right, let's see what else I can find. I'll pause. I'm at 157 here for a put. Wondering if I should change it up to 160. Or 165 again. I'm gonna hold strong here at 157. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 170. In there at 170. And out for 350 on that one. Very good. All right, I will go ahead and pause. All right, gonna try for one at 165. No fill though. Well, I feel good that I at least tried at 165. So if this does come back down, at least I know I tried and I wasn't able to get it filled. So there's no, yeah. So as it comes back down, that's just how it goes sometimes. You try and you don't get filled. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 165 here. Try 163 instead. Nope, not filling me. All right, I'll pause. All right, this needs to be a quick, yeah, this needs to be a quick, no, 158. Quick fill, or I needed to cancel it while it's already starting to recover. I'm trying to fit a square peg through the round hole. I just need to see if this thing wants to break up through that round number of 500. I'll pause. I'm going to go for a put here at 162. Nope, not filling me. Let's try 160 here. Nope. All right, I'll pause. We have an order at 140 here. Once again, not filling. Try that line right there. I'll keep a close eye on it and pause. Have an order at 165 here for a call. In there at 165 for the call. And out for a quick little 150 move on that one. Just kind of testing things out. As you can see, I've been struggling a little bit to get filled. So just wanted to make sure that I was a little bit more conservative. And even that, now granted, I realize this sounds kind of scam-like. It sounds like I'm being just unrealistic. But even that trade took 5 seconds. And it was quote-unquote only $150. Again, I get it. Wait, are you saying that you only made $150 in 5 seconds? Yes. But if you've watched past videos, you've seen that some videos I made $500 in a second. $350 in a few seconds. So the fact that I was quote unquote only going for, $150 and it still took 5 seconds. Again, if you've never watched one of these videos before, I totally understand. I sound like a crazy person right now. I sound like the most greedy, unhinged person ever. I'm just saying relative to other trades and relative to the potential that is possible with NDX options. But yes, if I take this conversation, put it into the real world where, if somebody's making $50 an hour and I'm sitting here saying to that person, yeah, I only made, $150 in 5 seconds. That person would be like, wait, what did you just say? You're a little scammer. That's not possible. So maybe, let's see, what is that right there? I can try again. 145. Just want to double check a couple things here. I'll keep an eye on it. I'll pause. All right, it has now bounced. So right idea, I thought it might want to bounce, but just because I had the right idea didn't mean I made any money from it, which is a little lesson there of trading. You can be right from a general sense. Oh, I think this thing wants to head back up. And yeah, this thing's heading back up, but I'm not making any money from it. So just because you're looking at a situation and you quote unquote get it right from just a broad statement standpoint, remember there's a finer tuned detail such as, well, you got to get the right entry point. You've got to get filled and all that. But I'm going to go ahead and call it good. It's almost 11 a.m. Eastern time. So all things considered, little shy of 90 minutes, $600, and $500 a day keeps the day job away. So, and I went above that. So yes, I did try for that $1,000 sniper shot, that first trade. It didn't work. Had to go into loss control mode, still put $100 in my pocket, and then a couple other relatively anticlimactic trades, although definitely a trickier market here, to get filled and to pull those normal gains from it. But so like I said, that's all I have. If you want to learn more about options, as I mentioned earlier, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that free class I put together. And if you want us to help out the channel in a free type of way, please just hit that subscribe button. That little click does a whole lot, helps out the channel. So if you, like I said, if you're, looking for just, I don't have any money, Clay, but I like your stuff. How can I help out? Like I said, hit the like button and then be sure you hit that red subscribe button. So thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.